to become a licensed agent. That's one of my students in Germany, who work for one club now. It's a 4th division club, you know, but he is a scout in this club. He worked with them, I think, 6 months or something like that, and after that, he made 2 transfers with players.
Welcome to this short video. Here you can see some of our students which passed the exam, and here all of our students of this event in Zagreb in 2024. This is Katarina, our second woman who passed the exam and become a licensed agent, and she's also an educator because he is a lawyer. He's a part of our Spa Academy family. And here you see attention of all our students which was on this event, and we have also online events. And very important for this offline event was that we have the best agents of Croatia, some agent of Barcelona player Olmo, or also Mandukic, and also another very famous players speak here and show and share his knowledge and educate our agents.
You know, a lot of players, you know, a lot of guys change, and especially when they become, let's say, rich or sign some big contracts. And I was lucky because, for example, I manage Mario since he was 18. It's half life. I manage him, you know, and I knew always that he will be straight and honest.
Madrid, and when I take him to Lille, champion of France, Cup of the France, everything, national team, World Cup. I come to Madrid, he tell me, Andy, you know, of my wife, the father. So each part of the player, the group till 14, till 18, there is 2 guys that take care of them. Then you have the first level player, second level player, and the Champions League player. So Champions League player is my job. For example, Mayer, Olmo, Bakayoko, Nacho, Real Madrid, Alvaro Morata. So this is my part. When they reach to this level, everything else, it's other people, because it's
Brando was in my second generation. He had from 20 questions, 19 right answers. What?
I said 21.
Hello, Katarina. Are you happy with the event, how it was with the guests and also with our students? Are you really happy that you was with us here?
Yeah, I'm very satisfied with the whole event, especially with networking and with our guests, the successful agents, older agents, which are working with famous players, and that was a useful part. Also, it was very useful, this part of the preparation for the FIFA exam. I think that the good preparation is 90% of the success of the exam. So I really enjoy, and my conclusion is very successful.
Thank you. I'm sure that you will be one of the next FIFA license agent, because you are one of the best students in our preparation bootcamp. And also, I am happy that you join our Spa Academy like a law consultant, and that you will care about the contracts and everything else what we will have in our pro license agent community, which is now starting and which grow very fast. Do you also exciting about this opportunity?
Yes, because all these people that are clients of the Spa Academy and students, they will all need this part. It's not just to take exam and pass exam; it's also to know how to do this business and how to get players and all networking with the clubs. So I think this part is very important. That's the last part when you have all these advantages and the contract is maybe the most important part in this business, doing with the clubs and with the players.
Yes, we heard this from the experience and successful agents like Andy Bara or Branko Hucika and Marian Šišić, that they say that this part of the legal part and the contracts and the representation agreements are one of the basics what you must have to be successful in this business.
Yes,
great.
Sure.
Thank you very much. And also, when you have interesting about our pro license agent community, which is now growing and starting, just go on our LinkedIn profile from Katarina Ćosić or maybe Mirsad Keric. Thank you very much, and see you in the future.